Hello, friends. It's Kylie, and we're back again with another vlog. I know, um, I think I've been uploading once a month, but I feel like this month twice ko maka-upload because that previous video was supposed to be last month, but I was so busy because of this video, this very 3 day that I'm going to show you, and I told you during the last video that we are doing something exciting. We are having our 3 day pop-ups for Summer Mercado by Deer Market at Don Pacifico. And if you haven't know, I have a small business handwritten letter before, way back 2022. It started back then. And I stopped, I think officially stopped last year because my Instagram account got restricted for some reasons, and I wasn't like ako na gid kay mag-stop na yun ta ko, like dili na nako ipadayon. But my friend wanted to pop up to join pop-ups because she's been baking, and as a friend nga, yes, 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 always. So I jumped into the idea and binuhay ko ang lalatre for like a month. And then now we're here. We're gonna join a pop up, and I'm gonna bring you along with me because this is my very first, and I want to capture this memory to like makita gid ako or like rewatch nako all the time. So yeah. So these are the things that I'm gonna bring along with me, and I'm gonna go na good any minute now. I just need to buy one thing lang. Like I need the candle because basta I just need to buy the candle for the candle wax, you know her. So yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Today's the day.
Alis, mamali ka na. Tira magin sa kilid. Bisa nagkulang ang load.
Hello. So, I don't think naka-vlog ko after us preparing or like showing that nagasell na mi. Because right after that, all those clips, grabe busy na jud kayo like from 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. Marag busy na gid kay ko, and I'm so happy that I reached my quota for today. I was just doubting yun nga, marag, wala man siguro ako na-reach or something. But then when I checked it, pag abot, I reached it. I'm beyond blessed. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing. And yeah, right now, I'm just gonna refill sa mga stuffs na need i-refill for tomorrow, for day 2. And yeah, I know this is short, but I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Good night.
Hello, today is the second day of the pop up, and I'm just getting ready. We're gonna go maybe around 2. I'm waiting for my friend na magdugan ni og pasaka, like the one I am selling beside with. So support me and support her. Even if like pag ma-upload ni kay, obviously it's done. But you can still support us online or catch us on our next pop-up, especially here. Because I think she'll be popping up the next month, but I don't think I can. It's too hectic. I'm working full time and I'm doing this on the side, so I'm just gonna plan my life if, when I'm gonna do the pop-up next. But you can catch me on online. You can order online at La Letre. I'm currently watching Gif's vlog, Solo Been on the Date. I've been looking at her ever since she went to college, like her Tomasino vlogs in TikTok, and I have just gonna get to know her more right now by watching her YouTube videos and all. And girl, because of that, like I have been binging her videos these past few days. I wanted to shift. shift na para bang hindi pa tapos nag-aral. But literally, I want to take up her course as well because I know it's like busy, like someone who wants to get busy, like naanagid ko nga busy ko so like, I do things a lot on the side. But yeah, like design and art. Uy, charas. Okay, no regrets. No regrets pag yun ka. Hala, sige. See you when we're there or what. But I'm just gonna take angkas because I'm gonna meet up with her in a road or like in a way nga kanang maagian niya to go uptown. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's cute. So, I got this outfit, this dress for 150. I also got this in a pop-up, but I'm not sure what's the name of the pop-up. But guys, message jud kaya akong room right now because it's been so busy, like stressful and busy. So tomorrow na lang ako mag-clean or whatever. But yeah, yeah, look at me. This is so cute. It's like purplish pastel pink, and it matches my life. Not just my life, but I think the tag on the back it says Sita. So basig somewhere local brand. But yeah, it's so nice. Only for 150. I swear to God. Not padded though, but it's fine. Guys, I think my friend's gonna be a little bit late today because I think she's still baking. Gahapon magod. Oh my God, message kaya akong room. Like gahapon manggod. Like dagan kay na malit sa iya house. So she needs restock. And then knowing nga gapon Friday, so like Good Friday or like Bernes Santo, I don't know what's the English of that anyway. But like daghan and it sold out. So of course, karon medyo daghan yun ang tao expected. So I think she's baking a huge um group and so mag-vacuum na lang sa ako. Guy, my room's pretty messy. I don't to hair fall. Oh my god, so stressful. Can you still hear me? I don't know. Hello, so update. We're here. It's already 7:35 and so far it's still a good day. Mas busy gahapon compared today, but yeah, it's still a good day to do your business. And I'm still happy that I showed up today and to meet a lot of people. So, 안녕하세요. 사와디카. Oh, ni hao, ni hao. Yeah, from Taiwan. International students balata. These are some of the baligya. Norot na akong butterfly kitchen, so only have these left. Here are the sweet treats.
Today is day 3, and we are now eating the baker's crumbs. Hey! Like my biscuit.
Hello, hello, hello. Today is day 3 and we're going to taste test Mori Matcha. And we got this in Earl Grey flavor. We're going to share. para taste test din siya. Guys, wala yung audio, but like lami siya. It's not too bitter, not too sweet. Creamy food siya. And like mataste ni mo ang Earl Grey. Yeah.
pagkuhan mo kay wala siya kana bitong strong.
Oo, like lami siya. Really overpowering ang Earl Grey, like exact blend. I will rate it as like 9 out of 10. Wow. So we're gonna try again from Papa G's Burger.
Enjoy jogging.
This is, unsa ni Von? Shrimp stack. Shrimp stack. Okay.
Patties
Open it.
filled with shrimp instead of the regular meat.
Wow, so big. Wait. Wow.
Cow. Yummy. And dili siya maka-pretty. Big ka na. Na para bang
Paano nakaon ka? Hindi na makaon ka. Big na lang. Bite big.
let's try. Hindi siya magpakaon.
Okay siya.
Lalagyan no?
Gamukbang na matadiri. Hindi ko na maligya. Ano siya? Wow. Like different yung patty. Kay shrimp man. So, dako kay siya. Sige na. 199. Dako kay siya, te. Sulit. I would rate it like mga 7.9 out of 10. Oh.
Shrimp iyang patties.
Another taste test sponsored by our Manila friend. Manila friend. This is Kimi Matcha. What is this? Sea salt cream matcha. Okay, so from Kimi Matcha.
Creme brulee.
Okay, let me taste.
The vlog mo baby siya.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Creme brulee.
Not too good
Creme
sila.
brulee. Yeah.
Not too good sila,
oat
not
siya.
too.
Try baby. Creme brulee.
Not too siya na. Cream brulee from Maribig. Tumukbang ni Damon Day 3, guys.
Hello.
Oat, nagwan ka no? No, oatmeal.
Lagi lang isa gula no. Ay lagi klaro man oh. Ay
Ano siya? I would rate it like 7 out of 10. This is pesto pasta. Mukit from Rukrina Diner. Wow. Lami kita tanawa te. Busog na tate. Muna ni dinner.
Girl dinner.
Girl dinner.
Literally.
Oh, this is only 85 pesos. Wow. Mukit siya te. Lami siya. Wow, lami kay siya te. Like it, yes. 10 out of 10. Super. Lami kay siya, lami. Sige na tag lami. Lami tanan. Another one. Another mukbang from Shelly Scrolls, the new and improved and pareha mig tripod nga Biscoff cinnamon. Ay, I love having a baker friend. Ay. Hello guys, this is the mukbang trio and today we are going to taste Shelly Scrolls new and improved. No, this is like the new recipe that she has been talking about. This is the cinnamon biscoff. Yes.
It's
So-
a perfect biscuit crumbs.
You have the classic cinnamon plus more biscoff and with cream cheese nga. Unsa ni? Cream cheese nga.
Yeah,
cream cheese.
Cream cheese
And
on
then
top.
crumbled biscoff.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm looking forward to trying this one because the Biscoff cookies taste so good. So let's try. First bite.
First bite. Hashtag we love having a baker friend.
First bite. We love Shelly scrolls.
This is only first debut at
Yes.
the Summer Mercado pop-up day 3.
Look at that.
Mm. Mm.
Is it perfect?
Perfect. 10 over 10. My God. I love it so much. Whoa.
Me.
I can really try the Biscoffee. Biscoffee! Yeah, I can really taste the Biscoff.
Okay, this dough is so soft. Let's eat.
How much is this,
Charis.
Cheryl?
Yum. Shit, ang mahal.
Oh my god, it's so yummy.
Yeah.
Let's try.
This is a girl dinner 1000%.
Pero guys, kidding aside, it's so yummy.
The
And
cream cheese is very generous.
like nag-complement ra si cream cheese and si Biscoff. So like there's balance in it. Balance.
Lumi
Yeah.
kayo, te. Oh my
So,
god.
Dako na siya actually for 119. So sulit ra gyud siya.
The cream cheese is very generous. It complements well.
Kwan, mas lami pa siya kaysa mango float. Ay! Da huyo mango float.
Perfect.
Amo na ni tanan din na matagal ng tagiya. No! Oh my god, I heard some
Go. Lami siya ti oy. May gali.
I-airdrop nila ako. Hi, another mukbang. And this is from Matcha Mama Matcha Pudding. Day 3 mukbang. But how much is this?
295.
Okay, 295. First sip.
Inik siguro ti.
I need to find it. No pasta.
How was it?
It's yummy.
Since it's the last day, then let's mukbang everything.
This is the day that we enjoyed everything from this summer market.
Yes. Post it, mom.
Because the last 2 days we have been selling and selling and selling, and this day has been eating and eating and eating plus selling, of course. Nami ba?
Yeah.
Standing for almost an hour.